Okay. So apparently you use a screwdriver وبتحط ثانية. I'm gonna just cut off the power. بس كرمال ما شريت بس. Okay. Power is out.
Was it necessary?
Okay, I don't want to risk getting electrocuted, honey. Okay, so apparently you shove a screwdriver من هون and this is how you get it out. It just seems like bad design.
I don't know, if it's bad design you might break it.
I'm trying not to break it. Wait, I got it. See, I got it, see? هي علقانة. اوكي شلتها. haha. So كيف تنشيل هاي؟ هيك بدي احط اصابعي جوا. اوكي.
بدك يعني ساعدك؟ Don't break it.
I'm not breaking. I got it.
ما تشد. You're not supposed to.
طيب اوكي كيف بيشيلوها؟ طيب انت شيلها اعطيني.
لا it's fine.
لا انت شيلها اعطيني.
You are supposed to do that.
See, I told you, huh? I told you.
Yeah, but you were doing way too much effort.
It's because I'm weak.
Next, head to the nearest hardware store and buy the same light bulb. You can bring the old one with you just to be on the safe side. My vent is super dirty, so I'm going to clean around the light and I'm also going to clean these rings before putting them back. Much better. It was actually this light that made me discover the existence of the vent filter. If it never went out, I never would have known the filter was supposed to be cleaned once a month. Or that it exists. It's funny how things happen sometimes.
Oh, it's bright! It's bright! It's bright! It's bright! Oh. It's almost as bright as this. هاي ما ضروري نغيرها لهاي يعني. I am blinded by the lights. Okay. See, كتير مقرفة. This section كتير مقرف. بدي I need to clean it. هيك بالطوق.